Alright class, this is the extra problem from the inequalities notes that we added on, so I'm just going to make a video on this one problem because you have the video for all the others. This is a word problem. Exam grades. The grades for a course are based on 5 exams and 1 final. All 6 of the tests are worth 100 points and are weighted the same, so that's important. In order to receive an A in the course, you must earn at least 90% of the total points. Your grades on the 5 exams are as follows: 87, 95, 92, 81, and 89. Write an inequality that represents the various grades that you can earn on the final and still get an A. Solve the inequality. Here's where people will mess up. Let's just talk about this for now. 90% of the total points, hopefully you guys realize that the total points you can get is equal to 600 because there's 6 tests worth 100 points. 90% of that is equal to 600 times 0.9, which is equal to 540. So that means that all 6 of your tests should add up to at least 540. Okay? So at least means it could be bigger than that. Alright? And if you solve this inequality, we would get 444 is less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to 540. And then we get that x has to be greater than or equal to 96. Now, if you only do that, you're not correct, because you're telling me that you can get anything higher than a 96 on your test and you will be at least an A-. That's true. However, can you get a 134 on your test? No, you cannot. So the highest the test can go, so basically this is going to be an AND graph, an intersection with an inequality where x has to be less than or equal to 100. Okay? So if we have these two pieces, we can rewrite it as x has to be greater than 96 and less than 100. Okay? That's just how I did it piece by piece. You can set it up and say that all these added up have to be less than or equal to 600, and you get the exact same thing. Yeah. So, actually, no, you don't. Don't do that. Anyway, just deal with the 100 as a separate piece because it's just another thing you have to worry about. Alright, so that would be your answer. You can get a 96 or higher up to 100 to still keep your A in the class.